Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can speed up clips on your Premiere Pro. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, I've already loaded up a clip onto my timeline. So if I want to go ahead and speed up this video or even slow it down, it is going to be very simple. So there are two ways you can do this. So first way is going to be simply by right clicking onto your video itself and go ahead and click on speed duration, and over here as you can see it says speed percentage or speed duration. So if I play around with the speed percentage, if I make it 200%, it's going to be 2x, so basically 2 times the speed it's going right now. Or if I go ahead and play with the duration, if I make the duration shorter, the video is going to be faster, or if I make the duration faster, the video is going to be slower. So if I make it, let's say it's a 12-second clip, I'm gonna make it 6 seconds, so it's gonna be 2x, right? So as you can see, the video's length also went down and it's gonna be faster. So basically that is how you go ahead and speed up a clip. So I'm going to show you one more time. Simply right click on it, click on speed duration, and you can make it as fast as you can by playing around with these knobs, and it's just going to go ahead and speed up for you. So if you thought this video was helpful for you, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.